Hi everyone, this is Sewing for Hobby video, and welcome if you're new, and welcome if you're a returning subscriber. I changed my username from Moving Door Lisa 007 to Sewing for Hobby now. My new channel is now going to be arts and crafts and dealing with life situations and daily vlogs. So let's get started into today's tutorial. Today we're going to make some earring displays, and these are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need a pencil, a craft punch. I'm using this one because it made a nice design. And then you'll need a hole punch. And then of course you'll need your paper. I'm choosing this one as like an example to make a earring display tag. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this piece of paper. This is Gather paper. They make all different kinds of wonderful paper. You can find it anywhere from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, or Amazon, Plus Compare. You know, anywhere where they sell craft supplies, you'll find this called Gather paper. G-A-T-H-E-R paper. It's like a cardboard and it's very stiff. Makes perfect for tags. These are some of the ones that I made previously, and as you can see, I used the hole punch to make these. And here are this is what this tool is used to make these tiny little holes to put your earrings through. And this is an earring display card. This is what we're making today. So if you like to stick around and learn how to make these, then do what I do and stay to the end of the video so you may learn how to do this on your own. Or if you want to, follow me, you can always like and subscribe. Give me a good thumbs up. And let's get started. Now, alright, this is what we're going to do. You see this end? Here's the back. Here's the front. All we're going to do, put it closely to the edge of your paper, slide it under. I don't know if you can see that. I slid it under. Now, and then all you have to make sure it's centered correctly. Place it down and then punch. It should look something like this. Set that aside. Take it up. Since mine has no back, it will come right down. And here it is. And there's your earring display. So what we're gonna do, take our ruler, take the worst side, line it up as best you can, kind of like eyeball it in the center. And remove your ruler. Pick up your punch. Don't you see that? I have it upside down. Sorry about that. There you go. Kind of lopsided, but it's hard to do it on camera because you're holding it at the same time, trying to make sure you don't go off camera. I apologize for that. Anyway, the line is still there. If you want to use this side, what you could do is kind of erase it out. But if you don't want to do that, just flip it to the other side and put your earring through here, and then it makes a nice display. So this is it. I'll do one more time. Take your gather paper. Slide it underneath. Punch it down. Use 2 hands if you have to. Once more, it should look like this. Set that aside. There it is. So beautiful. Isn't that look professionally neat? People want to see neatness, and I'm kind of clumsy when I do these crafts, so bear with me. And if you stick around until this end, then, you know, hopefully I was able to teach you guys how to do this. You can buy this punch at Amazon online, plus compare, or you can go to your local craft store in your area to get this whole punch. Michael's even sells it, I believe. Alright, let's take our ruler again. Take our pencil, line it up. Set it aside. I don't think I can see it this time. There you go. This one would turn out much better. The more you practice, the better you'll be. Sometimes I'm off. You can always turn around and make it this pretty side. Either side will do. You have to use your imagination which one you like the best. It will look nice. This is a little off center. This is better on center. But that's it. This is how you do a hole punch earring display. This is a DIY earring tag display. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And stay tuned. This is Sew 'em for Hobby signing out. Bye, everybody.